To connect Sony WF-C710N into your Android phone, first of all, you will have to start from opening the charging case, input both earbuds inside, and open this cover. Now, you will have to rotate the charging case and you have to locate this button. Then you will have to click and hold this button and take a look on this indicator on the front. You have to wait until this indicator starts blinking blue. Now you can release this button. Be sure that you keep that case open. And right now you will have to start by opening settings on your phone and just go into Bluetooth settings. So in my case, I can find it in the connected devices and I have to select pair new device. Then you have to select Sony WF-C710N from the list, accept pairing request. And then it's not finished because you can actually go into the Google Play Store and download Sony Sound Connect application that will allow you to get access into all the features from this device. So you have to simply select the origin right here. You have to accept that you have read the above contents and agree, and click start. Now click agree and proceed, click agree and start using, click OK, accept permissions that will pop up on your screen. And now just wait until you will be successfully connected. So it will take probably around 10 to 15 seconds. Here you can find the name of your device. You can click OK. You can click later. You can just simply continue without restoring data. Click next again. Click later. And now click to go to the tutorial and click X in the right upper corner. And we are successfully connected.